This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing the damage. Look at fabric type, tear direction, and how much seam allowance you have. Once done, trim loose threads and clean the area so stitches sit flat. Prepare materials now. Match thread color and strength, choose a sharp needle, and cut a backing patch or fusible interfacing slightly larger than the tier. Make sure to set your workspace with good light and a small pair of scissors before you begin stitching. That gets you into the repair immediately. You align the torn edges carefully and secure them with pins or clips spaced about 1/2 inch apart so the fabric stays true. Next, choose a stitch. A ladder or invisible stitch closes holes subtly, while a whip or blanket stitch suits raw edges. Start with a small knot, take tight but not puckering stitches, and backstitch at the start and end to lock thread. If the fabric is weakened, add a patch or interfacing underneath, and stitch through both layers. You finish by trimming excess thread and testing the repair with a gentle stretch to confirm strength and flexibility. Once satisfied, press the area with an iron using a pressing cloth to flatten stitches and set the patch. Make sure heat is suitable for the fabric. If a backing shows, trim or tuck it neatly inside. If you see puckering, uneven tension, or a gap, remove a few stitches and redo that section with smaller tension or a finer needle to restore a smooth appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.